Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. In this video, we're going to talk about drone batteries in the summer heat and how to keep them functioning properly. When flying in the summer months, it's important to understand how the heat and sun can affect your batteries. It's also important to understand the operational temperature range of your drone. For example, this DJI Mavic 3 Thermal has an operational temperature range from 14 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is the temperature that the drone is rated to fly in. However, being exposed to the summer elements, you need to keep an eye on your battery's temperature. To check the battery status and read the temperature on the DJI M3T, tap the three dots to go to the settings on your remote. Tap the battery icon, and here you can see the overall status of the battery in the drone and read its temperature. If you're out flying and get any type of battery temperature warning, bring the drone in for a landing, remove that battery, and let it cool down. It's important to keep all of your batteries out of the sun as well. Exposure to excessive heat and sun can cause batteries to swell and lose capacity for future missions. Having enough batteries for your mission, as well as a few extras just in case, will ensure that your drone functions properly and continues to provide ROI. If you have any questions, you can put those down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.